superhero.
Oh, interesting, isn't it? I wonder why he got that power. Can you bring me some more tumor? What's tumor, sir? Tumor's that special blob. Tumor. Over here. Look behind you. We need to destroy his machine. Hi, guys. My name's Sorry, I'm not gonna cut it this time. Look behind you, damn. So I'm
Important
Grasado. I am
we
here.
got down here. You might talk
I'm
over
listening to Master
if you
V.
got down.
Your master.
Yeah,
Shit. We don't feel like these other buffoons.
My name's Skylar, and my name's Sophia. Sophia? Interesting.
Silence. Pedestrians and bozos and anything that makes you sound bad.
I'm Ann here.
Hello. I am Let's Roller.
Skylar.
She will not her shot.
Yeah.
Wait
your
turn.
Okay,
Okay,
hello.
your turn.
This is my sister.
Yeah, someone's
Your
broken
sister?
out.
Oh,
There's
you
the
have sister,
Oh,
Ricky.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
What are my manners? I am like a bigger version of Bricky.
And, well,
Sorry, not Bricky.
yeah.
I just do a little bit more backseamy. Airy. But yeah, Bricky's a good man. He's cool too. You don't know the regular me. I still do him pretty too. Why did you have to say that? Let's get out because she's gone.
Who are you?
Okay, so yeah.
No!
Yeah, show you
You
what I
love that.
We've been looking for you.
I love that, well, fast maps and fast suit. He stole it from the Museum of National Art. He's a he's a second-rate murderer. We need this planet.